Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Facebook notification can't connect. Tap to retry. First open the Facebook software. You can see the problem on the screen. Now we will solve this problem. Click Settings. Click Apps. Click App Management. Find Facebook app. Click Facebook app. Click Storage. Click Clear Data. Then click OK. Click Back. Click Data Use. Then turn off both options. Then open Google Play Store. Search Facebook app. Click Facebook. If you get any update, please update. Then open Facebook app. Log in your Facebook account. Select Skip. Then select Deny. Thanks for watching.